This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday evening, April 7th. I'm James Spann. Things are calming down after a wild night of flash flooding. Some severe weather across the state, and colder air begins to move in tomorrow. Let's go in there and take a look at things. We'll start with the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. First off, the view coming from Hamilton up in Marion County. Sky there is mostly cloudy. A few spots did manage to see some thin spots, a bit of sunshine today, but not much. That's our Skycam in Huntsville. You can see the United States Space and Rocket Center off in the distance. The sky there mostly cloudy. We'll check the opposite end of the state. That's the Gulf Shore Skycam. The rain has moved out, still cloudy, and looks like the surf down there is pretty rough on this early April afternoon. You can see the drier slot moving into the state. Rain and storms off to the east. The core of the trough axis moves through here tomorrow, so we'll maintain the chance of some rain tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. That was the radar this afternoon at 2:31. That's a band of showers on the actual cold front passing through East Alabama. Nothing widespread or nothing heavy, and that should be out of the state by the time you watch this. You can clearly pick out the cold front there. We got a 20-degree swing from 56 at Muscle Shoals to 76 at Montgomery. Birmingham nice and mild at 70, but again will be noticeably cooler tomorrow. Around the nation, I'd say temperatures are seasonal. Nothing excessively cold or excessively mild today. Severe weather problems east of the state. Tornado watch for the South Atlantic coast, parts of Georgia and the Carolinas. And there's the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. The slight risk on the South Atlantic coast down into North Florida. Another slight risk for the cold pool up around Cincinnati, where they could see some hail activity in the storms there. This is the rain for the next 5 days, carries us through Saturday morning at 7 o'clock local time. And this counts the rain we had early this morning, and this is showing about 1/2 inch. Again, we're going to see a few rain showers tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, but I don't think the rain will be all that heavy, and beyond that will be dry through Saturday. Take a look at modeling. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. There's the big trough, cold air aloft coming in here. That's the surface chart down below that, and you can see that batch of showers over Mississippi and Arkansas. And that will be coming in here late tomorrow and tomorrow evening. This is the high-res NAM, valid tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock, showing showers and maybe even some thunder. You know, the air aloft is going to be very cold, so even though the surface temperatures aren't that warm, there could be some convection there. So showers, possibly some thunder late tomorrow and tomorrow evening, and this is after midnight tomorrow night, 1 a.m., and it's still got a few showers in here. So looks like the core chance for showers and maybe some thunder, maybe about 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon until a bit after midnight tomorrow night. Rain amounts not excessively heavy, not enough to produce any additional flooding problems, and again, no severe weather. This is Wednesday, and you can see we're dry. The sky will be sunny. But it will be a cool day. The high only in the low 60s. The GFS printing 63 for Birmingham. And this is Thursday. Now, Thursday morning is going to be cold, and that's the morning we're going to look out for a late-season frost. Thankfully, I don't think it will be especially widespread or damaging. There's a look at the temperature plot coming off the Buffkit analysis tool, and you can see that spike down Thursday morning down into the 30s. Some models keep us in the 40s, but I think the colder pockets across north and central Alabama with a clear sky and light wind will see mid to upper 30s and a chance of some light frost early Thursday. But again, thankfully, I don't think will be especially damaging. But again, I'm not in the crop business. This is Friday. We start to warm up nicely. The high in the mid to upper 70s. The sky bright and sunny. The GFS showing 77. And Saturday should be a really nice day to start the weekend. Bright sunshine with a high around 80. Doesn't get much better. Great day to do anything you want outdoors. And then Sunday, moisture levels begin to rise, but I really think the day will stay dry. The sky partly sunny, a warm day, the high around 80. Showers and storms off to the west. And this is Monday of next week. A week from today, a pretty good trough axis swinging through. And a pretty healthy batch of showers and storms. That's not really a severe weather look. The core low is up there over eastern Canada, north of Maine, but the GFS showing a secondary low forming down here on this end of that front. And, of course, 7 days out, we don't know if that's going to be a severe weather threat or not. Just something to watch, but that will clearly be the next chance of rain after the event tomorrow night. Go out there later in the month. This is the 18th. That looks kind of stormy with a surface low just east of St. Louis. And the end of the forecast on the 23rd. Big upper system over California, ridging over the Central Plains states, a little disturbance with a chance of showers. And, of course, we all know this is voodoo. We're just looking out there because we can. We're looking for trends. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.